Hi guys, this is Rene. This time I'm gonna teach you a very traditional Chinese cuisine, which is duck leg bathing in the soup of rice. Okay, I know. I bet you guys did have congee before, right? Water boiling with rice, and then until the rice got smashed, and it tastes like cereal, maybe, pudding. I don't know. But the soup of rice is different. Another story. First, you need to boil soup, and then you cook the rice, and then put the soup and rice together. And the rice still have its texture. It still got its rice shape. All right, it's two different things. So let me do it for you. We put the duck leg in the wok, the skin face down. And then we pan fry it for maybe 8 to 10 minutes with a very gentle fire. Yes, you don't need to put oil in the wok because the oil is coming out from the duck. As you can tell, the oil is coming out from the leg. So just pan fry it. Alright, just take time like 8 to 10 minutes maybe. You can see the color change, the meat is done, then it's ready to use. And before you pan fry it, you need to use some salt, sugar, and cooking wine to marinate it. Alright, as you can see, more and more oil coming out. So let's flip it to the other side. Ooh, look at that. Looks so nice. Alright, so the oil is all out and the duck is halfway done, I guess. Yes, it's ready to use. And you can save the oil if you like the smell of the duck. Okay, we can use the duck oil a bit to stir our melon. Make sure all the melons have a bit of the duck oil. And then we can put in the mushroom, all diced. And then we can add a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar. I can smell the smell of the mushroom. Okay, let's add some water. So we cover it. Okay, the soup is ready. Oh, alright. Then you can put back the duck leg. Remember, the duck leg is not well done yet. Alright, it's only pan-fried the skin, and the inside is still not yet done. So we cook it for a while. Okay, I think it's ready. Alright, let's have a look. The duck should be done. Yes, should be done. Yeah. Okay, remember, we have the rice cooked already. Now we can put the soup. Yeah. With your melon, mushroom, and soup. Remember, it's soup rice, so you really need to put soup there. Ooh. The legs jumping like. Ooh. You need to see the soup. If you can't see the soup, which means you didn't put enough soup. Alright, this is it. This is what we call duck leg bathing in the soup with rice.